you know? Do that. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this is the unboxing of my new Skutt wheel. I'm super excited. It just came. Can't wait to see what all is in here. And oh, it's upside down. Check it out. So we deboxed it out in my driveway, took everything out. It was easiest, as you can see, to cut the side of the box to get it out of there. And we got all the parts and we took it down to my basement. Because this is a heavy cast iron kind of a pan on this, it was definitely a two-person job. My husband and I both carried it down. Or maybe it was even my son, I forget. But we got it down to the basement and then I could begin assembly. So I'm installing the leggings extensions and it's very easy. So they give you the directions. There's a big end and a little end, and there is a little set screw that's inside, and you just slip on the big end all the way up into the foot. Oh, and I did already take off the caps on the legs, and then you just tighten down the set screw. Now, I already did the other two here, so all of the adapters are on and the set screws are tightened. And now as I put the extension on, it is going to fit up inside of the actual leg, so I just slide that up. And I already measured the height that I wanted it to be, and I'm thinking that I want to do 38 and 1/2 inches. So this is going to be standing. I want it to be able to, I want my arms to be able to clear the splash pan. So I am measuring this just from the edge of the splash pan. You know what, I'm going to do 38 instead of 38.5. So there's 38 inches. I like that. And then I'm going to tighten the set screw. Okay, and that is very anchored. And I'm going to do the same for the others, get them all at 38 inches in length from the edge of the splash pan. All right, I have all three of these tightened down, and we'll see if this height seems like it's a good height for me. So that looks like a good height.
Can you adjust it?
Yep. So I can do this, and I can lean over a little bit if I want to. And here I'm preparing the stem that the wheel head goes on by putting the anti-seize lubricant or compound on there. I've now bought it in a stick form that I use, but that keeps the wheel head from sticking. Now there are two notches underneath the wheel head that go over the pins that are on that stem, and those are also aligned with the drilled bat pins, which is kind of nice. So it's always easy to tell where the little grooves are because they're in alignment with the bat pins. And that anti-seize compound is great because it allows the wheel head to move freely. Without that, it could end up by seizing on there and you would have difficulty. So I always want to make sure that I have enough on there that it's never going to get stuck. And here's a little close-up of how that wheel head goes on and off. The little grooves go right over the pins. and it's really nice. It works really well. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on for the first time. Pedals off, power button is off. I did plug it in, so let's go ahead and turn it on and we'll test it out. Oh, that's nice. I can push down really hard on it. It's not slowing at all. It looks good. Awesome.